This is Matt, and this will be a short, straightforward video on how to underline text on Google Docs. So right here on Google Docs, as you can see, I have an untitled document, and what I've done is I've just copy and pasted in some random text from online just to show you in this demo video. So to underline text, let's say we wanted to underline part of this first paragraph here. So I could underline from hides almost everything right here. And now what we need to do, once you've highlighted the section or the sentence or the word that you want to underline, you can come up right here and you can see I'm just hovering over here. We've got bold, we've got italics, and we have underline there. So the U with the underline, we're going to click on that, and just like that, that is underlined. If you wanted to just do one word, you can highlight the word and do the exact same thing, the U that's underlined. There we go. If you want to do, let's say you want to do a whole paragraph, highlight that, whatever you want to highlight, as much as you want, as little as you want, you click on the U that's underlined, and just like that you have underlined. Now if for some reason you don't see the U underlined here, it should be there by default, but if it isn't there, what you can do, let's say we were doing this sentence right here, what you can do if it's not there is you can hover over, you can actually click on format, we will hover over text, we will come down to underline, and you can see the keyboard shortcut is there. I'm on a Mac. That might be useful for you. There's actually a keyboard shortcut if you don't want to keep clicking on the menu, and you can click on underline. But for most people in most situations, you'll have the underline tool will be right there. That is how to underline text on Google Docs. Hopefully you found this useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.